Just in front of the mall entrance is an adjusted mall hours advisory. So let's get inside. Upon entry, safety precautions are observed and implemented. So let's head over to the specific shop in mind to get a hold of what we intended to buy. We are now here in Owndays shop. Owndays is an international optical retail concept founded in Tokyo, Japan. They have established stores in 10 overseas countries in Asia Pacific. Select your frame. Try on as many as you can and select the best frame that suits you. Finding the right frame is the key. Select eyeglasses that contrast your facial contours and bring symmetry and balance to your prominent feature. Step 2. Fill out your order form and ask for any assistance from the storekeeper. Step 3. Refraction test. Once you have an order form, you will undergo refraction test or vision test to check the correct prescription lenses. In Owndays, it is included in the cost of the eyeglasses. Owndays use lenses manufactured by leading international lens makers. Their standard lenses are high-index aspheric lenses, which means it has high-quality lenses that are thinner and cause less visual distortion. That comes with UV protection and dust-resistant coating. So we decided to get something to drink while waiting for the prescription glasses to be made. Bali 425 po ay Glasses are ready in 20 minutes after purchase, so we decided to head back. The glasses are made and checking for the fit and correct eye grade, and there is no other changes to be requested, so when it is all set, time to pay and head out. And just like that, we already have a prescription glass. Time to head out and go home.